Fast food giant McDonald's is shaking up its menu this week in a way that has brought spicy food lovers and longtime fans super excited. After over 50 years of serving breakfast the usual way, the company is now bringing a bold twist to your mornings, and long-missed favorites is finally coming back. Starting Tuesday, July 8, 2025, McDonald's across the United States will begin offering a spicy new range of breakfast sandwiches. That's right, if you love a little heat with your breakfast, you're in for a treat. The spicy McMuffin lineup is making its big debut, featuring the classic Egg McMuffin, but with a fierce twist thanks to the brand new spicy pepper sauce. You'll also be able to order the spicy sausage McMuffin and a version that includes egg. Now let me tell you why this is changing. McDonald's says that it's all about keeping up with young customers and what they want. A recent study found that over 74% of Americans eat the hot sauce regularly, and nearly 80% of Gen Z shoppers say that they are more likely to try something if it's labeled spicy. McDonald's is clearly listening and betting big on spice this summer. But the surprises don't stop there. Just 2 days later, on Thursday, July 10th, McDonald's will finally bring back the snack wraps, something fans has been begging for since they were discontinued back in 2016. You know what? These wraps were so popular that people started petitions, launched fan pages, and flooded social media asking McDonald's to bring them back. And now they are finally getting it back. So whether you're a lunch lover or just looking for a quick snacks, this is the comeback everybody has been waiting for. This double menu update isn't just about new food, it shows a deeper strategy. McDonald's is taping its nostalgia by reviving beloved items while also evolving to match the taste of a new generation. They want to keep the old fans really happy while attracting younger, trend-conscious eaters who crave bold flavors and fun new options. So, what does this mean for you? Well, if you have ever loved the Egg McMuffin, you will now get it to try with an extra kick. And if you have missed the wraps for years, your wait is finally over. Well, these changes are already creating buzz nationwide, and people are expected to be in line early to get the taste.